everyone, myself Ishan, and today I will be going to tell you about a news which will be about the coronavirus vaccines. So the headline says Global Alert, be against the frauds. So what happened that all over the world the vaccines have been very been famous, and it have been in a large demand. So what happened that there is a company of France which are basically investigating many criminals since a very long time. And what happened that before some days in UK a case was investigated in which a criminal organization developed a vaccine which was a fraud, which was not the correct vaccine, and then sold it to many people. So this was not good, and the company is itself saying that you should be able to handle these type of things. And because it is coronavirus pandemic, so the what happened that there have not been the distribution of the kits and the medical healthcare facilities from a very long time. And for that only, when it will come, the medical kits will come, many people will get it. And because of that only, they should have some arrangements for that only, because people can identify which is correct and which is not correct. So this news was regarding that. And what happened that when the vaccines will come, it will be sold to a large public, and that's why there should be any type of organization which should be able to handle these type of problems, that distributing problems and how everyone should get it, because it is not easy to give such a large audience such a large type of medicine. So the company is saying that until the WHO, the World Health Organization, or the Indian government or the country's government, there are currently 194 countries, so the country's government healthcare facility doesn't allow you or doesn't say it publicly that the vaccines have came and it would have been all great. So until then you didn't have to buy any type of vaccine, and you have to be against the fraud. Today, nowadays, there have been cyber fraud, cyber crime, and these type of criminal will be found in every city, every country, every state. So be sincere and be aware of your surrounding. So this was all about this news, and I will meet you again in the next video. Share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon, guys.
Hello everyone, this is Mayank Kumar, and today we are going to have the further discussion over the farm bill. So actually we have seen that the Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, is much active on nowadays, and he is talking a lot regarding the farm bill and all, and he is supporting the farmers also, those who are protesting on the border of Delhi. So we have seen that farmers from several states and all, they are coming to Delhi just because they want to oppose the central government, and as Delhi is the capital of our country, so Arvind Kejriwal cares about that. And so over means yesterday, Arvind Kejriwal stated that one of the great reasons behind the passing of this bill was Captain Amrinder Singh, who is the current Chief Minister of Punjab. And as we have seen that many of the farmers from Punjab also, they are in the protest. So he stated that not Arvind Kejriwal, Captain Amrinder Singh, he could have stopped the bill from passing. And Arvind Kejriwal also pointed out him that he is either the friend means he have some friendship with BJP, or second reason that might be that central government pressurized him. And Arvind Kejriwal also, he passed a thing out that he got some calls from cyber cells and all, that get in the support of the farm bill and don't speak and all. So Arvind Kejriwal told that I have not got feared, and as being the human, I will support the farmers and all. So basically we are seeing that Arvind Kejriwal is much angry on Captain Amrinder Singh, and he is blaming him also behind passing of this bill. He is supporting the farmers. And guys, be with us if you need more information regarding all the topics. So guys, we will meet in next video. Bye bye guys.
Hello friends, I am Sonu from S. Swami International E-Techno School. So guys, today I am back with a new topic that's about the China and India. So guys, it is very good news for Indian people that the China is going to take 100,000 of broken rice from India, and that cost will be $300 per tons. So guys, as we know that India is the biggest exporter of rice and China is the biggest importer of rice. So in per year in the Beijing they import 4 billion of rice per year. It's a very huge number or a huge amount of rice. And so guys, before some decades, due to the fight between the India and China, that political tension, due to which there was they issued that due to the bad quality of rice we will not take it, and they avoided our rice. But again, that it is said by the B.V. Krishna that they are going to again take this much of a huge amount of broken rice from India. And so before this, there are some suppliers who supplier country of China who export rices to China. That was Pakistan, Thailand, Myanmar and Myanmar and Myanmar. And so for today only this much, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you soon guys.
Hello guys, I am Rahul Kumar, the student of S.S. Swami International E-Techno School, and today I am come with article which is just given in the today's newspaper, means the news of 3rd December 2020. So it's a news regarding CBSE. So Central Board of Secondary Examination CBSE has told that the children will give they will give a written test in 2021. As we know that children were studying online, means they were taking education online by Zoom app or by WhatsApp web or many other apps. They were using many apps because of the lockdown. And we know that in mid-October government has also allowed that states can open their open school, but some states have opened their school, but many of the states have not opened. And those who have opened their school had opened with safety measures and precautions, like they have allowed to wear, they have it is confirmed to allow to wear mask and everything, which is precaution for the COVID-19. So this was the news about today. And they also told that to reduce the pressure of student, they have reduced 30% of syllabus in CBSE. So this was the news about article. So if you want to watch this type of video, then you can subscribe our channel, or you can put a comment in the comment box for more videos. So I will be with you in next video. So till then, take care, bye bye, see you soon guys.